Welcome back into StoveTop-Garage. Tonight we're going to be making some pineapple upside down cupcakes. And these are going to be our ingredients tonight. We've got the moist white cake. We got our pineapple. Got some brown sugar in the back. Got some melted butter, some maraschino cherries, and the eggs for the cake mix. And instead of using water, we're going to use the pineapple juice. And instead of oil, we're going to use a half cup of melted butter. And then the rest of the melted butter is going to be coming into here to go with our glaze with our brown sugar. So let's get started with the cake. Let's get started with prepping our pan. I've already lightly coated it with some Crisco. And the bottom of it's going to have butter and the brown sugar in it. So the butter's going to help it from sticking to the bottom anyway. So we're not going to worry about the bottom so awful much, but we got to prep it with our decorations more or less because it's an upside down cake. Alright, we're going to go in with about a tablespoon of brown sugar for each cup. Preferably without a bunch of lumps so it spreads even. About like that. More or less what we're looking for. So we'll set that aside for now. And we come back in with butter. And we're doing about the same. About a tablespoon of butter. Maybe a bit more. Oh, that's a blooper now, isn't it? Now it's time for pineapple. And there's one. Okay. Maybe we have to give that an attitude adjustment. They're a bit big, or my pan's a bit small. Trim it or leave it? I think we're leaving it. About like that. And we have 3 more to go, maybe. Now it's time for the maraschino cherries. Purely for the looks. Me personally, I don't care for them, but they finish the appearance. Oh, yeah. There we go. And one more for this round. Here we go. All right, in with the cake mix. In with our 4 room temperature eggs. And in with our water. This is pineapple juice. And then we come back with a half a cup of butter. And there, our oven is ready. Well, that's messy. And there we go. We have cake batter that is ready to go into our pans. And here in just a few seconds, we are going to be ready to put this 6 into the oven. Actually, that looks like it's going to be a little bit more than 1 scoop. We want to go about 3/4 the way full with our cups. Oh. And there we go. That is the end of round 1. So we're going to have a couple more. They'll probably be following this, providing everything turns out right with these ones. We shall see in about 25 minutes. These are going to go into the oven about at 350 degrees for approximately 25 minutes. And then we let them cool. And that is ready for the oven. Tray number 1, fresh out of the oven. We're going to let it set for a time, and then we're going to flip them out and see what we come up with. Now let's see if we let these cool long enough. I don't know if that's necessary, but it was kind of fun. Okay, so that one there is not exactly flat. Maybe I should have leveled them off before I pulled them out. I think that's a success. I think we have a win with our miniature pineapple upside down cupcakes.